whispering my name again. Empty footsteps on an endless road, heavy silence carrying my soul. Pictures drowning in the neon blue, every little thing reminds me of you. Clock keeps ticking in a hollow room, midnight flowers never seem to bloom, and the thunder speaks louder than my heart. Every drop tears the night apart. It's a dark, sad, rainy night alone. Broken shadows in a place called home. Windows crying while the sky turns gray, and I slowly fade away. No stars shining through the clouds tonight, only lonely echoes and city lights. I keep dancing with the pain I know on this dark, sad, rainy night alone. Coffee getting colder by my side, memories I'm trying hard to hide. Your last message burns inside my mind like a ghost I can't leave behind. Cars move slowly through the silver streets while my heartbeat falls beneath the beat. Every raindrop writes another lie on the shattered mirror of my life, and the thunder speaks louder than my heart. Every drop tears the night apart. It's a dark, sad, rainy night alone. Broken shadows in a place called home. Windows crying while the sky turns gray, and I slowly fade away. No stars shining through the clouds tonight, only lonely echoes and city lights. I keep dancing with the pain I know on this dark, sad, remaining night alone. Maybe morning never comes for me. Maybe sadness is all I'll ever see. But the rain still sings outside my door, like it knows what I'm crying for. It's a dark, sad, rainy night alone, holding on to pieces of the old. Heaven's crying rivers from above for a heart that lost its love. No stars shining through the clouds tonight, only fading dreams and pale street lights. I keep drowning in the overflow of this dark, sad, rainy night alone. Rain keeps falling, and I'm still awake.